Data is either collected slowly over time as it becomes available to a database you set up, or downloaded from a source of curated datasets. An example of a dataset archive is the open access government data from data.gov. But you can also get data via public APIs from social media sites. For this introductory course, we're going to start with the smallest dataset so that you can experience the data science principles without buying a supercomputer. By the end of this course, you'll learn how to analyze the prices of ties based on their characteristics. The data for doing this analysis is from a comparison shopping engine called ChopStyle. They provide an API for developers to connect with their data called ChopSense. While you could use Python to connect with their API, I've already provided a CSV file for you to download and use, but feel free to check out the teacher's notes for tips on how to get data directly from their API. The data prepared for you to use as you follow along with code examples in this course come from a comparison shopping engine API. These bits of information describe each type: brand name, which is a string, the product name, which is also of string type, the price, which is a float, which is a kind of number with decimal points, and also the material, which is a string type of either silk, cotton, wool, or cashmere, or other, the print, which is also a string, which could be polka dot, plaid, striped, or solid, and the image URL, which is also a string type.